Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform XIAOMI Mi Lock check using the IMEI number of your Redmi A5. Alright, so we are on the IMEI.info page, just like always. And now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our phone. If you don't know how to check it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all checking options of this site. And there's also a tutorial how to find the IMEI number. Alright, so once we have typed the number, click on check info. As you can see, now we have our phone. Now we need to scroll down a little bit. In here you can see the basic information about our phone. If you click on XIAOMI.info you can see more information. And if you are interested in the full device specification, simply click on that button right here or right in here. Okay. And in here we have the basic checks, and the first option from the top, as you can see, is XIAOMI Mi Lock info check. Simply click on that. Now click on this blue button. Now they are processing our order. Now let's wait. And as you can see, we have our results, and this device is unprotected. Below we can also read some information about the brand, the model, the IMEI number, find device status, is this device protected, the date on which the report was created at, and below we can also perform and order the XIAOMI warranty, order the blacklist premium, or remove Mi Cloud. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.